All right, what's up? Hope everybody's doing good. Thank you for watching this video. I'm going to be talking today about using the export feature with Smarter Contact and why it matters and how you can use it in your business to uh, squeeze all the juice out, so to speak. So, well, one first things first. Let's say, for example, I go to the campaign I did today. So, if you go to this campaign, you can see that I have an export option. Let's see what the options are. So, sometimes you can text a person and maybe they don't see it because they're on vacation, their phone is broke, maybe you didn't catch them at a good time, they didn't feel like responding. So, if I'm looking at here, I want to go ahead and select the unresponded. I can export all of those out and text those again tomorrow if I wanted to, or the day after, or the week after, or the month after, whichever process you have in your business. But the point is that you can make sure that you hit those again, or you could even cold call these people. You could direct mail them. You can message them on Facebook if you wanted to. Carrier blocked. Those are the people that your message was blocked by the carrier for some reason or other. So once again, you can cold call those. You can hit them with a different marketing channel. So that's the first thing about the export feature that I really, really, really like. So another thing that I wanted to touch on today was that the grades, right? I have these are my grades here: buyer, dead, CRM pushed, uh, new, hot, follow-up texting. So I want to talk today about the follow-up ones. So let me select that one. So this person, let's look at Glenn White. All right, so this person, Glenn White, this is someone that I texted in February, and then they said they're not selling at this time, but check back in the summer. So guess what I did? I checked back in the summer. So you can do a couple things. What I did here is I actually had my VAs export it, export all the follow-up leads, and then they send it to me an email so that so I have them printed out somewhere if I could find them. Let me see. I found them. So I'm a visual person, and it's a little easier for me to print these pages out from Excel or whatever, and I'll go down the line and I'll see, for example, follow up. I'll check and make sure I'm following up with them, and you could really do this a couple different ways. Case in point, you could even update data from the CRM that you're using or that you have. But the export option is great to make sure that you don't leave any leads in your system. And I'll go into another one. Sometimes you will message people, right? And maybe they don't respond to you, right? So I have my grade that says texting. This These will automatically get this grade if they engage in conversation with me. As long as they respond with something that does not say like stop or leave me alone, um, I will make sure that I can do something with them. So let's look at this person here. All right, so here we are. This person says, "Who is this?" And I hit him with who I am. Um, but that was back in May 17th. They never responded to that. And then the other day, I went ahead and I went through all of those grades, or I had my VA do it, and they followed up and said, "Hey, Justin, I hope all is well your way. We spoke up before about such and such. Just wanted to see if you reconsider selling." Real simple and easy. So it's just another way to make sure that you are not letting any water seep through the cracks and missing any opportunities. Uh, Outside of that, you can do so much. You could really custom tailor this in any way. You could, the people, whenever you do a cash buyers, when you send it out, you can select all the people that responded from that blast, and then you can export out all these new buyers to build your cash buyers list. That's another different way. So I wanted to touch on the export feature today. This video is a little bit longer than I was hoping for, but I really hope that you gain some value from it. If you have any other questions, or if maybe you have a specific way that you use your export feature, let me know. I'm very curious and I'm always looking to learn myself. But I hope that this helped you out. Bye.